Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play F1 style racing in Gran Turismo 7. To begin, understand that while there isn't an official F1 license, the game provides an incredible simulation. We'll explore how to select the right open-wheel cars and optimize their performance. Get ready to dive into high-speed, strategic racing that captures the essence of Formula One. This guide will help you achieve that thrilling experience. When selecting your vehicle, consider the Super Formula cars, which deliver an authentic modern open-wheel experience. Alternatively, some Vision Gran Turismo concepts offer incredible speed and downforce, mimicking futuristic F1 designs. For a classic challenge, try the older Formula cars. Always prioritize vehicles with strong aerodynamic packages and powerful engines to truly capture that F1 sensation on the track. Optimizing your car's setup is crucial for F1-style performance. Start by adjusting the aerodynamics to achieve maximum downforce, which is vital for high-speed cornering. Next, fine-tune your suspension settings to ensure optimal grip and stability throughout the race. Don't forget to experiment with gear ratios to perfectly match the track's characteristics. Finally, carefully manage your tire compounds and fuel load for consistent, competitive lap times. Mastering race strategy is key to F1-style success. Focus on practicing consistent lap times to build a strong, reliable race pace. Learn each track's precise braking points and acceleration zones to gain precious tenths of a second. Develop a smart pit stop strategy, carefully considering tire wear and fuel consumption. Remember, smooth steering and throttle inputs are essential for preserving your tires and maintaining peak performance throughout the entire race.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.